Silver has closed the year 2022 with the modest gain. See, this was the closing at around 23.50 and now it has closed at around $24 level. Also, throughout this year, it has seen good swings, the rise, the drop, and the retracement is still it is still trading in this bearish channel with the lower highs and lower lows. So what to expect? Are we done with the bullish move in silver and can we again expect it to drop? And if yes, what is going to happen in 2023, or it is going to take a break, a stronger break, achieve the triple top here? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The daily updates on gold which I share for silver very early in the day with the Asia session, do not miss that. So do watch that also. Let's start. And before we see that, see another observation on the monthly charts on silver. It was trading overbought here. It has seen sharp drop, now looking to converge. Crossover possibilities there that it may show you little highs here, little greenery there for next couple of months or first half of 2023, where it can achieve the highs again and possibility of a drop from there exists. Now still, if you look at the trading or silver chart since last 20 years, you can see this is how silver has traded, and see it has achieved the highs here. It has come back to the median, now trying to trade around this zone. So yes, possibility of a bottom, it is still there. Do not that we are done with the bottom for silver, as for last few months, weeks, it has traded in this zone. And this is how silver has been trading since last 10-15 years. See the highs it has seen in 2011, 2012, when it has gone till towards $50 levels, and this time it is waiting for a breakout here. See the bottom is done, possibility at least trying to achieve $30 levels, and if it breaks past by, certainly there is a lot much strength on the upside yet to be left. But this is only possible if and only if it trades about $26 levels. That is going to be the level I will be watchful of. If you see silver trading about $26 levels in the year 2023, then you should wait for 28, 30, and once it trades beyond 30, sky is the limit. It can take sharp bullish plunge on the upside. Now we'll see in details. Now look at the monthly charts here. Just on the monthly charts you can find out, see rise, double top at $30 levels, then consolidation, and then this breakout has happened. But again, the stronger the base, you can see three candles getting the support here at around $18 level, and then reversal has been seen. Still you can see, if you connect the near term lows, you have to wait for it to break past $25 levels. Now see multiple candles getting the resistance at $25 levels. Now this makes it a very strong resistance zone, and then specifically this zone will come into picture at around 26. So see, as I told you in my daily analysis several times and in my weekly analysis is also, silver trades in a block of $2. 1820 is done, 2022 is done, and then we have predicted $24 levels long back that silver is going to achieve 24. It is done. Now it is trying to striving to achieve more, and how far it can go. The next target, if it sustains about 24, is 26. Certainly beyond $26, then 28 and 30 are the targets, and beyond that further bullishness can be expected. Now see, for next few weeks and few months, silver might try to achieve the highs here at 26, and in fact it can try to go past 28 or 30 levels, and from there we will see how it behaves. See, this is first stop retracement, and it can again go there at $30 levels, consolidate here for a couple of months, and then again take a plunge. Possibility exists, because silver's price not only dependent alone on the inherent demand and supply game for silver, but also the demand and supply for dollar affects the price of silver, and hence if dollar trades weak, possibility exists that silver may achieve high, and if dollar gains the strength, and then the silver might also try to take a little punch if rest all the factors on the upside, demand and supply side, remains the same. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts here. Now on the weekly charts you can see a strong base is created here at $18. Since then it has seen a good rally, and you can also see higher lows are seen. Now also you must observe the last few candles, see higher lows here, At the same time, this time it failed to achieve the highs, and this is trying to trade with a narrowing slope, and hence it needs to break past 2430 levels in order to trade bullish, because beyond 2430 the target is that possibly we may see increasingly bullish candles there, and then you can expect $25, and in fact we may see it hitting $26 in the month of January or in next few weeks itself. Now 25, 26 levels are certainly going to be very strong resistance. This is the previous high which it has seen. It can completely achieve this zone before it tries to reverse. So this levels at 26, 26, 20, 26.50, one has to be a little bit cautious. First thing is these levels are achievable. Second thing is whether if these levels are sustainable or not. We will see at those points beyond 26, 28 and 30 are the targets, and at 30 we will see how it behaves further. Now as we saw that on the downside, as silver, if it achieves $30 levels and it is on the downside, yes, it has completed this journey, and hence possibility exists that it can continue on the you can say the bullish journey from here on the weekly charts. We'll come to indicators, and then we'll try to find out whether the indicators are supportive of a strong bullish move. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it appears that the cusp is done, and only if it breaks out beyond 2430 the next week, it can give you sharper rally, and this time we can see it hitting 25, $26 levels in quick succession in next few weeks itself, and possibility exists that it can in fact continue this bullish momentum for a little while before it tries to take a plunge there. Now on the downside, remember it is trying to trade in this channel, and this makes the levels here at 2340, 2320 as a very strong support, then $23 as the next support. See, it is trying to trade in this box. It has to get out of this box in order to trade bullish, and yes, $22 is something which you should watch out for, below which you can definitely expect little more bearishness in silver on the near term. First thing is, I still expect it to continue the rally there, and still expect it to continue with the rise. Now let's have a look at the indicator. On the indicators part, silver is taking support from the 20 period moving average. It is getting the resistance from the top of the Bollinger Bands, and yes, still it is looking forward to a breakout. Any move beyond 2430 certainly be a good level for you to take an entry. Look right now how beautifully the three moving averages are placed: the 20 period simple exponential weighted average, the 50 period and the 100 period, both all the three trading with a divergence, indicating the increasing strength in silver. Is impli- that implies that silver may continue with this bullish momentum for a little while from here. Now see, the oscillator is still on the first half on the positive side, and it is trying to trade with these swings. It can achieve the highs before it looks forward to a plunge. The stochastic dropping there. The MACD on the other side, look at the MACD on the daily chart. This is divergent and bearish, but still there is a probability that it can converge crossover, try to trade this, achieve the highs, and then take a plunge. See, it is already achieved the highs here. It is trying to trade in this channel. Now it is looking forward to come back till towards the zone at least before it looks over to a bounce back, and hence one need to be cautious. Any drop below 2340, 2320 zone, you can expect that $22 levels are something which silver might look at, which is going to be a very good support. And see, silver is something which can which it can achieve these levels in a single day itself, and hence one need to remain cautious, because see, if it continues or resume the downward journey from here, $22 levels, $20 levels are something which is definitely going to come as a very strong support. RSI is trading at a comfortable levels here, and if you look at the weekly chart, on the weekly charts too, see, the 20 period moving average has started to converge. The 50 period moving average are also taking a shape to converge. Possibility exists that once it crosses over, certainly more bullishness can be seen, and silver might remain in a buy zone for a little while. I'll definitely expecting it to achieve $26 levels, $28 levels in the near future. Even if it has to achieve the lows, possibility exists that we may see a high here. But yes, silver is certainly looking forward to take a breakout. Now look at the oscillator here on the weekly charts, and you will find that it has crossed over on the buy side. The candle size is consistently increasing, and yes, it can give you similar size of a mountain where still the highs are yet to be achieved. So be watchful there, be careful. I am still bullish on silver, but the stochastic, which is one part on the weekly charts, which is right now overbought, and yes, possibility is always there that it can sustain this bullish levels for a little while. If it can sustain the bearish levels for a little while, it can sustain the bullish levels for a little while before it takes a plunge. The MACD has also crossed over at the bottom. It is trading bullish, but the candle size appears that it has seen the highs. However, I will definitely wait for it to still take a shape. There is a possibility that it can continue with the divergence, achieve the highs before it looks forward to a drop. And the RSI is looking upwards too. Considering this, it appears that the gold might try to achieve the highs, or silver might try to achieve the highs at 26 or in fact 28 or $30 levels in the first half or first quarter of 2023. These levels are achievable for the next week also. If you see it trading about 24.30, you can buy it. Certainly those are the levels beyond which more bullishness can be expected, and beyond 24.30 levels the targets are 25, 25, 50, 26, and then beyond 26 more bullishness can be expected. So this is one part of it. At the same time, trading below, see, for next week you have to wait for it to break past 23.50, 23.60 zone, rather 23.40. If you can wait for it to break past 23.40, take a sell entry there and expect it to drop. So below 23.40, more bearishness might take it for 23.20, 22.80, 22.50, and then $22 levels. For the next week, you have to observe 23.80 also, below which, yes, you can initiate a sell entry. On the upside, 24.30, you should be watchful of. For these 50 cents, stay away and let it take a shape. Do not trade for these 50 cents and take your positions accordingly. But not only next week, but for the month of January also, you have to wait for it to break past 24.30. Then you can certainly expect on the upside 25.26, and then beyond the 28.30 levels also in next few months. From there, we will see how it behaves. Possibility of a drop from there. Just take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, the highs for silver are possibly a little far away. It has still not seen the highs which it has seen in 2011, 2012 levels. So yes, the bull run, the shining bull run for silver is yet to be achieved, and it has to achieve a lot on the upside. But at the same time, along with the gold and global markets, right now it appears $30 levels are going to provide a very strong support resistance on the upside. Achieving those levels, we will see there is a possibility of a drop also. Hence, need to be remain cautious at those levels in the year 2023. Now, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch starts on 9th of January. Be a part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Take your trades accordingly. Press the bell icon. Do watch daily analysis. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week and a very happy new year 2023. Thank you very much.